Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to talk a little bit about what I did here today with the punching bag. So as you can see, it's a little unorthodox with the equipment today. That's literally the only piece of equipment I needed. This was supposed to be a leg and a little bit of back kind of day, and I don't have a nice squat rack, barbell, a bunch of dumbbells, and all that sort of good stuff. So I decided to make an odd object training day, which I've been trying to do one or two of those a week anyways. So this worked out perfectly. I had this punching bag in the garage forever now that I've been meaning to hang up and just haven't got to it yet, like a lot of things. But it worked out really well. It actually allowed me to tax the legs very well. As you'll be able to see here in the video, the rep scheme ended up working great, but I'm sure there's plenty of things you've got laying around that you can work with and get good workouts in at home too. So be creative with it and enjoy. Okay, so here we are on the last workout for the day for the odd object training. I meant to say it earlier, but I did start this training session with the six-pack abs, which I'll put a link above. I just put that out last week or the week before. Still really getting the core very well. So I did that, and then the first portion, and now here I am on the end portion. With that being said, just at the end of any workout, really try to maintain that form, maintain your focus, maintain the intensity, and just try to keep moving through it. Again, this part was fun, just something you don't do every day, and it really works. A lot of the stabilizers using odd objects, so you'll use muscles differently. You'll incorporate those secondary muscle groups a little more than normal, which is great. And yeah, and in between the step ups, just did some simple calf raises, which isn't nothing fancy, but as you can tell, I don't have the biggest calves in the world, and I'm really wanting to grow them, so I try to get them in wherever I can fit them in, and it's a perfect little kind of something to do in between, but still getting good work in. So yeah, this is the end of this workout for today. I did do one other workout that I'm going to get out pretty soon with the bag as well. That was pretty great. But I hope you're getting some great workouts in with whatever you've got laying around. And just remember, you don't need all the fancy stuff to get a good sweat on and a good muscle burn in. So I hope you're having a great one.